Interpreting your TOEFL and IELTS scores. Unraveling your strengths and weaknesses. Hello language learners. Have you recently taken the TOEFL or IELTS and are now wondering what your scores mean? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into interpreting your TOEFL and IELTS scores and how you can identify areas of strength and weakness. Both the TOEFL and IELTS have specific scoring systems, and it's crucial to understand what each segment means. TOEFL, scored out of 120. 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section scores from 0 to 30. IELTS, scored on a scale of 1 to 9. 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section has its individual score, and then an average is taken to get the overall band score. It's always good to start on a positive note. Look at your scores. Which section did you score the highest in? That's your strength. Above 26 in TOEFL sections or above 7.5 in IELTS sections. You're excelling there. Remember, recognizing your strengths helps in boosting your confidence. Here's where the real work begins. Scores that are significantly lower than the others indicate areas for potential improvement. Did you get below 20 in any TOEFL section or below 6 in any IELTS section? That's a cue to give that area extra attention. For many, speaking and writing tend to be challenging sections. If you fall into that category, don't fret. With consistent practice, you can improve leaps and bounds. 1. Targeted practice. Focus on the specific skills you need to develop. For instance, if listening is your weak point, spend more time practicing with audio clips and answering questions. 2. Feedback. Especially for speaking and writing, get feedback. This can be from teachers, peers, or online platforms. 3. Mock tests. Simulate exam conditions and practice. This will help you familiarize yourself with the format and manage your time better. Understanding your TOEFL and IELTS scores is more than just about the numbers. It's about recognizing your strengths, addressing areas of improvement, and setting a roadmap for future success. We hope this video has provided clarity on how to interpret your scores and move forward. Keep learning, and you'll achieve your language goals.